The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central McIntosh County in southeastern Oklahoma, southeastern Wagoner County in northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Cherokee County in east-central Oklahoma, east-central Okmulgee County in northeastern Oklahoma, Muskogee County in east-central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Boynton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Muskogee, Wagoner, Fort Gibson, Haskell, Morris, Oakey, Porter, Okmulgee, Braggs, Taft, Boynton, Council Hill, Tallahassee, Pumpkin Center, Sequoia State Park, Chieftain, Wainwright, Summit, Hitchita, Jamesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.